One of the new features in PowerPoint 2010 is the ability to insert Smartart. In PowerPoint 2003 you had insert diagram, but you only had 6 types of diagrams. And if the diagram you wanted to create wasn't a pyramid, a Venn, a target, a radial, or an organisation chart, things were pretty tough. But in PowerPoint 2010, if you go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, you can choose the Smartart button. And there's a huge collection of diagrams to choose from. Let's choose this one for example, and OK. Now what I'd like to do is just click on the text boxes and add my own text. Now I can't quite get at this text box, so sometimes you've got to bring up the text pane, which is what this does. If I click this, a text pane comes up and I can interact with the text pane rather than the shape. And then I just close the text pane. What you can then do is select the Smartart and change the colours. You can do it either manually or you can choose from a palette of colours that are pre-provided. You can also choose from a collection of Smartart Styles until you get the style you like: cartoon, inset, polished, or intense effect, or subtle. So I'll go for intense effect. And it's as easy as that to create a diagram. But to create a more serious diagram, for example, I might press Ctrl M, which is the shortcut key to insert a new slide. I'll go back to the Insert tab in the ribbon and choose Smartart. But this time I'll go to the Hierarchy category because I want to create an organisation chart. And I'll click OK. I'll just resize the organisation chart with the intention of making quite a big one. What I can do is just click in a box, add some words, and just fill in the people. And I'm just going to dance on the keyboard. Now if this was a family tree, I may want 2 boxes at the top, so I'll click on the first box and I'll go to the Add Shape button to the left of the Smartart Tools Design tab, and I'll ask to add a shape after. And this gives me another shape after Kathy on the same level. I can then click and I can insert a shape below. I can then insert a shape after and just continue to build my organisation chart. And it's really quite easy. And you can create quite large and intense organisation charts. You can even decide after the fact that you want to change the layout that you chose. And if you simply rest on the various layouts, it'll show you what it'll do to your organisation chart. And there's even more by clicking the More button.